Hello, welcome to UUU exclusive channel. Today I'm bringing you this 5712 with a leather strap. This is a premium custom version. It's a weighted model. It hits 125 grams. This is a gold-wrapped weighted version. No fading guaranteed. And the surface can actually be tested for gold content. It's a gold-wrapped model. Never fades. The whole dial has been fully upgraded. SW grade, including the moon phase hand. It has a solid center axis. See that? All of this is compared to the PPF. And improved upon. And upgraded. The most important thing is the gold-wrapped weighted material. The effect it gives looks just like the original. That heavy, solid feel. The movement uses this 240 integrated movement. This movement is the same as the PPF one, with some refinements done. The custom parts have been reinforced. The case back. All the engravings are there. Also, this watch comes with a crocodile leather strap. So overall it's the highest spec configuration. All functions match the original. This is the power reserve, date display, moon phase display, and small seconds. This button adjusts the moon phase and the date. All functions are, including its thickness, dimensions. All match the original. As for the movement functions, I won't repeat the demonstration again. Because this watch, honestly, the same model has been filmed many times. The functions are fully accurate. The biggest advantage of this watch is its weighted effect. It also has a wrapped effect. The color tone and the weight now match the original perfectly. Really, really nice. Of course, the price compared to PPF is much higher. After all, it's wrapped plus weighted. Alright. This is UMate. UMate's latest 572. If you like it, check it out. Let me show you. Thanks for watching. Bye.